in the mud. You can start that one, Bruno. It was down by the banks of the river. I was knee deep in the mud, in that water the color of gravy, opaque with mysterious crud. I was sitting there drying in the sun, oblivious to anything or anyone. Sometimes I feel I got the river running through my blood. Well, I was setting fires in the brush grass. I had a box of May. When it spread too far, too fast, well, we both just ran away. I was sitting in my room while the sirens welled by, much too scared to even cry. Sometimes I feel like the sirens never went away. Knee deep in the mud, with that water the color of gravy, opaque with mysterious crud. I was sitting there drying in the sun, oblivious